also causing some disruption on the railway.
Hello everybody.
This is a quick video, or maybe a slow video, on a plane, a Minisport SD-1. As you can see, here we have a kit, but it's a very quick build kit.
This is John.
Hi, I'm going to build, well actually Jury's going to build a Minisport SD-1.
Right.
And we're going to do it very quickly.
And we're going to do it just like that. Well, it's not working. John, try
just
it.
Like that! And it is there! Perfect. Mine will, I think, be slightly better than that, but this is a good first attempt. Unfortunately, it's not the one we see the boxes for.
But it's going to be very, very similar.
It's going to be as good or better than this one.
Alright John, so it's up to you.
We're trying to do a little gentle unboxing, or is it unwrapping? One or the other. I suppose it's technically called unboxing.
Don't scratch it.
Let's see how we get on. I'm trying not to scratch it. Could be interesting. Here we go. See, I'm being very careful on this because I know if anything's going to go wrong, it will go wrong. Right, let us see what this box gives us. I expect exciting things.
What's that?
Is this my seat?
That's your seat.
That's my seat? Oh, that's great. Oh, that is nice.
That's your upholstery. It's your new cushion.
Oh, that's the instrument panel.
No, that's the seat.
That's the seat. Oh, well, it could be either way around.
Come on.
Oh, we're getting down to... Oh. This is a telescope?
No, there are building plans, I think, John.
Oh yeah, I think they're the plan. There you are, sir.
Thank you.
Hopefully this time you'll get it right.
Yes. It looks like glue.
Oh right, yes.
Glue and some fuselage cabin. That's like...
It's a bit small. I'm not going to fit in there.
Yeah. Well, where this gonna go? It's empty, but...
Well, this is even more interesting because this is full. Oh, we've got boxes under here. This is the.
Don't scratch that. That's Canopy.
Yeah.
Put
Shall I
it on.
take the cover off it?
Yeah. Got a spot here. Spot.
Take
the
this off.
frame out. This is
my magic wand. If the engine
wand.
doesn't work, I'll wave my magic wand. This looks like the undercarriage. And this looks like something else. This must be the wheels and the...
Yes, wheels
Bits and
and
pieces.
nuts and bolts. It's pouring down today.
The box. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, packing. Excellent. Oh, that looks very important. Oh yes, that's a definite bit of something. They're wrapped nicely. They can go here. Oh, more.
Oh, lovely.
Nicely packed. Oh, probably better in the box. Here we go. I'll put that on there. Get overlooked.
Control stick.
Oh, yeah. I could, you know, it's it'd be great. Here we've got foot pedal. Could be a rudder pedal. Oh, this is an important one. It's another bag of bits. That I don't know what it is. I haven't got a clue what that is, but all will be revealed. We've got lots of packets in here. This is amazing. Oh. Oh! It's a nose wheel. Perfect! Oh, my goodness. I've got bits all over the place. And this is a wheel. No, it isn't. It's something else. It's a wire.
I think it's gonna be the cables for brakes.
It's a cable.
Outer cables for brakes.
Two big wheels. Then with the undercarriage wheels. Another wheel. That beautifully formed. And here it is, a bag of £50 notes. Oh no, nuts and bolts. They're probably equivalent of £50 notes, but there we are.
Let's have a look at the parts in more detail. This is pre-made mainly wooden fuselage, how it comes from the factory in quick build kit. The composite fuel tank is already bonded on the fuselage. So there is a cross member with carbon fiber roving for the nose wheel. So the sides are skinned with the birch plywood. This is removable inspection cover. Here is the tunnel for the wing spars. And all this very nice finish of the build so far. So here is the cockpit area. So the wing tunnel, floor, fuel tank from inside, the instrument panel area, and under the seat area, so there's gonna be the console for the flaperons. It's like a mixer. Here the main undercarriage will be bolted on, and at the back there's baggage area, and where the consoles for the flaperons goes. So this is built-in aerial in a fin, so that's the cable, so it's always pre-made at the factory. So it's just normal RG58 coax cable. So these aircraft will be fitted with a ballistic parachute recovery system. So here is where it goes. So there's the area for the parachute. So all looks like red. So there's like varnish been tinted just to see if all the areas been nicely varnished. So it just shows up the missed spot, because the varnish is very important. High density foam, extruded foam's been used for bulkheads and the ribs, so that's the pink stuff. All inside's been varnished at the factory, not the sides. So the plywood on the sides are in the different thicknesses. On here the turtle deck is around 1 millimeter thick. It varies from 0.8 millimeter to 3 millimeters. Thicknesses, inspection cover again. So one in the middle, one at the back. So it's all nice and straight. Wooden constructions, obviously we have to be careful with the humidity and the temperatures because it's gonna shrink or expand, so we will see how we get on a little bit later on. Very smart solution of the aerial, so it's built in into the vertical fin and the turtle deck, so it's under the leading edge, so it's totally invisible, drag free, and the coax cable is led into the cockpit area. So vertical stabilizer, nicely done. Attachment in carbon fiber spar, always sandwich of the wood and the carbon fiber, glass fiber spar for the elevator, red area. So all this vertical finish skin with 1 millimeter plywood. Let's have a look at the pre-built wings. The composite winglets are bonded, flaperons are made, overlapping wing spars are rigged with 2 pins. The spars are made of composite, mix of wood and carbon fiber caps. The leading edges are made of extruded foam, covered with thin layer of glass fiber, so it's very easy to repair if needed. Aluminium tubing of pitot system. The rope helps to lead the wires through the wing, so that's for the lights and strobes in the wingtips. The connection area of the flaperons and the rear of the wing, so there's a coaxial wing spar on the flaperon, the slot-in area with a stone, which is mounted into the console. Sandwich rib at the root of the wing, you can see the polystyrene with the plywood. Beautifully finished wing skin. It's covered with very thin, almost invisible layer of glass fiber, so sometimes it's very hard to spot. The rear bottom of the fuselage is open because the pitch controls such as push rod, bell cranks, rudder cables, etc. needs to be fitted first. You can see wooden truss design, extruded foam ribs and 15 by 15 millimeter spruce. And there is the coax cable again, which goes from the built-in area. Then the bottom will be covered with this sheet of plywood.
What we got next? So there are the channels for the ballistic chute ropes, which this goes on side here. So there goes the ropes in the channel over there, then over here, and then the rope will goes there after the engine mount in the front. And then the last bit in this box with the wings is the vertical tail. Sorry, horizontal tail. So elevator. We're not gonna take it away. We're gonna keep it inside because we don't need wings. So winglets, they are glued. They are bonded to the wings already. And we've got the options with the tie down points. So there are tie down eyelets. So that's brilliant stuff. And we've got here strobe, the base for the strobes. So there will goes lovely strobes. There's just strings and we need to pull the wires through it. And that's it over here. So then we had in big box, we had the bubble canopy. That's the frame for it. We've got the spats. There is some probably carbon fiber building plans, or the blueprints we call it. That's the nose leg. We've got a couple of wheels, some nuts and bolts. We've got the main undercarriage, which is the solid glass fiber leg. And over here, I guess, so these are some metal parts. So that's for the flaperons and the flaps mixing control. These are probably the pedals, and some control stick, push rods. This is some outer cable and the cable for brakes. So that's a new bit in a quick build, and this is basically the front frame for the canopy. It's lovely molded because in previous kits you have to make this your own, or make it from just 1mm plywoods, 6 layers of 1mm plywoods molded, and it was all wrinkled, and then you have to fill it.
It's a much better job now.
So it's much better job now, just quicker.
You're looking quite envious about this, actually.
And it's a bit more accurate. So then we've got, that's for the cables, for the rudder cables, which goes outside of the fuselage. Make a nice transition. There's the vent. A couple moldings for just a sheets of glass fiber. I don't know for what is this for. So we've got a peel ply, and there are a bit more plywoods. So this is for the canopy frame. So this is for canopy. The open and lock mechanism. So these are the protruded carbon fiber push rods. Good. So they comes on half, and in the middle is gonna be the lever for opening the canopy. So here, that's the wooden tail skid. So it's got on the tail. So this is the seat pan. That's for the luggage compartment and the back. That goes in the front. So that's for the seat. We've got pre-made lovely instrument panel. It even drilled holes for it. So it's brilliant. So we're probably gonna do carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Skinned carbon fiber.
Yeah,
as
that'd
I
be
have.
great. Yeah, it looks good.
And we'll see if we make the lip here as well for the radio trans. Yeah, so we've got that's the last part to close in the fuselage at the bottom. So it's in the tail skid area. So we've got a firewall. So we're gonna glue this on there. That's the firewall. Then we've got the 2-part epoxies, mix, and micro balloons. We've got some 50 grams of glass fiber. We've got another part that's for the rudder attachments, and we've got 80 grams glass fiber. That's it. Let's get started.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
If you'd like to see entire build and next video, please click on subscribe button. Many more episodes coming on very soon. The next episode will be about preparing the workshop, plans, parts, etc. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below, and hopefully see you soon.